Did you know Mark Zuckerberg became a billionaire at just 23 years old? That's right. But here's the kicker. Facebook wasn't even the first project he launched. Stick around because today we're decoding the genius moves Zuck made to build his empire, and trust me, you're going to want to take notes. Let's dive right in with the first principle of Zuckerberg's success: relentless focus on solving problems. Picture this. 19-year-old Mark sitting in his Harvard dorm room. He wasn't trying to create a billion-dollar company. Nope, he was just solving a problem. Remember Face Mash? It was basically Tinder before Tinder, made for Harvard students to rate photos. It wasn't exactly Nobel-worthy, but it taught him something critical. People crave connection. Zuckerberg didn't just dream big, he started small, testing ideas, failing fast, and learning even faster. In 2025, you can do the same. Platforms like Notion AI and Figma are designed for rapid experimentation. Got a side hustle idea? Test it over a weekend. Solve a problem first, monetize second. Watch out. Don't get stuck chasing perfection. Waiting for perfect will have you watching someone else live your dream. Principle 2 is what I call the network effect secret. When Facebook launched, it wasn't a global app. It was exclusive to Harvard students. Then it expanded to other Ivy League schools. Here's the genius. Zuckerberg didn't go wide. He went deep. By focusing on a niche, he created a sense of exclusivity, and that exclusivity drove demand. In 2025, building communities is easier than ever with tools like Discord and Substack. Start small. Find your niche. And here's the kicker. Make it so good that people want to tell their friends. That's how the network effect works. Each person brings two more. It's like a pyramid scheme, but legal. Watch out. Don't try to appeal to everyone right away. If you're for everyone, you're for no one. Ready for the third principle? It's bet big on your vision. Here's the thing about Zuckerberg. He's always played the long game. Remember when Facebook bought Instagram for $1 billion? Everyone thought it was a ridiculous price. Today, Instagram generates billions annually. Same story with WhatsApp and Oculus. Zuck saw opportunities where others saw risks. In 2025, the big bets are in AI, Web3, and immersive tech. The question is, are you willing to invest in what others might not understand yet? Whether it's time, money, or effort, doubling down on your vision, even when it feels risky, can set you apart. Watch out. Don't confuse big bets with reckless gambles. Research and calculated risks are the name of the game. Principle number 4, adapt or die. Facebook didn't stay Facebook. It became Meta. Love it or hate it, Zuckerberg's pivot into the metaverse shows one thing. He's not afraid to disrupt himself. When user behavior shifted to mobile, Facebook went all in on mobile-first design. When video content exploded, they launched Reels to compete with TikTok. The world in 2025 moves fast. Platforms change, trends evolve. You've got to stay ahead. That means upskilling, experimenting, and, embracing AI. My advice? Block an hour every week to learn something new. You don't have to master everything. Just be ready to pivot when opportunity knocks. Watch out. Don't be the person who says, "This is how we've always done it." That's a fast track to irrelevance. And finally, surround yourself with excellence. Zuckerberg didn't build Facebook alone. He had Sheryl Sandberg, a powerhouse who helped scale the company's revenue model. Great leaders know they can't do it all. They build dream teams. In 2025, finding the right people doesn't mean hiring a full-time team. Tap into freelance platforms, collaborate with peers, join online communities where ambitious people hang out, and most importantly, don't let ego get in the way of learning from others. Watch out. Avoid yes people. You need challenges, not cheerleaders, to grow. Okay, so how do you apply Zuck's principles to your life in 2025? First, embrace tools that amplify your efforts, whether it's automating your workflow with AI assistants or leveraging platforms like Shopify to start an e-commerce store. Technology is your co-founder. Second, invest in community. Start a podcast, run a local meetup, or even launch a private group. Connection creates opportunities, and oh yeah, it's free marketing. Third, stay curious. Zuck's curiosity didn't stop at coding. He's learned Mandarin, dabbled in VR, and keeps exploring. Adopt that mindset. Which of Zuckerberg's strategies speaks to you the most? Let me know in the comments. Is it solving problems, betting big, or building a killer network? And hey, if you found value today, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Next week, we're diving into how Bezos turned a garage startup into Amazon. You won't want to miss it. Remember, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Zuckerberg's story shows that success isn't magic, it's strategy. So keep learning, keep earning, and I'll see you next time at theaimarketingschool.com. Bye for now.